Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Let's start. Open CapCut. Go to New Project. And select one video and 7 photos. Select Format 9:16. Adjust all photos to full screen. Delete the end part. Turn down the video volume to 0. Now add audio. Audio link is given in the description. Now set video to time duration of 2.7 seconds. Now set all photos to time duration of 0.5 second. Now check. Now you can export. Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.